I don't mind these calls because I can walk people through a lot of problems. They buy a lock, they go to their home big box hardware store, they buy a lock, and then they get home and they can't get it to work. And they call me up right away. I don't mind walking people through, but here's the bottom line is, read the f***ing manual. People go to the big hardware stores, they buy a lock, they get home, try to put it in, and they call me. Tell you the honest truth, I don't mind you calling me because I can walk a lot of people through their problems. But, you know, sometimes it's 10 o'clock at night, you the lock, and then you come home, take the old lock off the door, and now you can't get the new lock on, you can't get the old lock on, you can't get nothing to work, and you call me. We can send a locksmith to fix it. Sometimes I just walk people through it. But you know the bottom line is, read the f***ing manual. It's right in there. And I get, the most common is, they put the lock in and they say, oh, it's too short. It doesn't fit. It's too short. Well, if you read the instructions, it tells you how to reset from 2 3/8, which is too short, to 2 3/4, which is the perfect length. Or the other way around. They say, oh, it's too long. It won't fit. Well, then you got to shorten it. And there's so many different styles of locks out there. It's in the manual how to adjust it. That seems to be the biggest problem I see. The other thing is, again, follow the instructions. It says, you know, don't have the key in, don't have the bolt out, put it in together, screw it together. It usually goes together perfect, which I've done other videos on that. And then I get the more complex stuff. They get some electronic keypad lock that I've never heard of. They bought on Amazon, and they get it, and they can't get it to work, and then they expect me to know. We learn about most of them. But again, I go, do you have the manual? They go, oh yeah, have you read it? Nobody reads it. So again, I don't mind the calls and I don't mind helping people, but a lot of times, read the manual. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.